Here in Sanger, California, flushing out of Rinnai water heaters, the V75, and also changing out this cartridge. So this is a sediment filter, a little 10-inch big blue, and then it goes into, looks like a Pelican filtration. It's either double filter or one is a filter and one is a conditioner. I don't know, we didn't install any of this, but anyway, so that sediment filter gets changed once a year, and then of course flush the Rinnai with vinegar every year as well. So we're just taking a video while we're doing it right here. Here's the parts that we took out. We took a little picture of the O-ring. There's a replacement for that. So there's the old string wound filter, and it's actually not in too bad shape. Pretty clean, of course. Yeah, a little bit of discoloration, but looks pretty good to me. And then of course the gasket that comes out of there, it's got a 5-inch housing, and that guy right there, don't have the number, had the tag a minute ago, but here it is. So it's the 151122 gasket, so we make sure we have plenty of those on hand. And of course we've got a nice metal heavy duty wrench to take everything apart. And anyways, we're gonna wait. Got about a half hour left on this, let it run through its cycle, flush it back out with water, get it fired back up, and see how it runs. Outside of that, this service call is done.